Good morning, students. Welcome back with the next session of social study. We will start with the NCERT class 7th geography. We will start to the first chapter that talks about environment. Now let's understand the term environment first, and then we move forward to the to understand the concept of ecology and ecosystem. However, those are not exactly the part of this topic, but I would like to cover it here so as to provide details understanding the concept of environment, ecology and the ecosystem, and the basic difference between the three. Now environment is derived from the French word environ, which means neighborhood. So it's a kind of basic support system by the people, place, things and nature surrounding living organism. So as a result, I can say environment includes both the natural phenomena as well as the human made phenomena. Now 5th of June is celebrated as the World Environment Day. There are two things that happens if we talk about the details of geography. You would understand there are two sets which we talk about geography. In terms of environment affecting humans and human affecting environment. So the stream that talked about that environment plays a predominating role in governing human behavior is known as determinatics streams, and that talks about the natural disasters and natural calamities, and its sets only and only environment only governs us and rules us, and we have to follow the rules whatever environment lays for us. However, later on there was another segment populations or geographer who started working with the concept which said that it's not just the environment which governs us, rather than it be human that modify the environment or change the environment according to our requirements, and that streams later on known as possibilism, and that streams talk about the concept populations, the kinds of things we have manipulate, and our manipulations let environment to work around with our convenience. So these are the two sets that we understand, that we covered in details lectures. Now understanding the concept of environment, I would say there are three components. Number one, the natural components. Number two, human made components, and the other human components. And there is a slight difference between human made components and human components. First work around the natural components. The natural components, as you know, if I in simple terms I say land, air and water in class 6 when we were discussing about biosphere, comprised of the three basic aspects: lithosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere, is the same here. So you have land, that is lithosphere, air, that is atmosphere, and water, that is hydrosphere. And all these three, when they merge, they form the biosphere. When living organism exist, or I could say in simple terms life can exist. Now we talk about human. The components of human would be an individual, that comes the family, then comes by community, then nearer numerous factors that affect a person, for example religion, culture, level of education and political backups. So all these things affect humans mentality and human setups. So all those factors are the human factors. Now come to the next factor that are made by human beings. So these are the factors I would say are abstract, but there are certain physical factors that we establish, for example, bridge, tunnel, canals, road, railways, bridge, and human made factors. So there are three basic factors. I hope students you understand the part 1 of this chapter. The further part of the chapter we will discuss in the next session. So if you have any queries, any questions, write down in the comment box. Thank you. Have a nice day.